Hi, welcome to my channel Ruby Net Crochet y Tejido. In this small video I'm gonna teach you how to SSP. It's the same as SSK, but SSK is done in the right side of your piece and the SSP in the wrong side, and the purl side. So sometimes you see a beautiful pattern and then you see all these letters, you know, 3 letters, and you get a little, you know, like not comfortable in doing that pattern because you don't understand the meaning. And what they do is they do a short form of what you're supposed to do, because if they write every single word what you have to do, they will take pages and pages and pages of a book to do just one simple pattern. Okay, so what this means is that you're going to slip a slip and you're going to knit purl 2 stitches together. But you have to purl these 2 stitches together, passing your needle first through the second stitch to the front stitch and purling together. That way that decrease will be leaning to the left on the right side of your work. So if they had to write all that just to explain that little detail, it will take forever to go through just one pattern, one book, one pattern. So I'm gonna purl a few stitches to move away from the border. So you will start what you're supposed to do for the stitch until you get to that point where it says SSP. I'm going to do 4 purl. Now you leave your strand in the front because you're going to purl. So you have to slip, and you have to do it knitwise, as to knit. You're just changing the position of the stitch. So you're going to slip. Just a sec, because I had that the wrong way, because I had to frog these because I already record in Spanish. So you have to put them facing the right way that they're supposed to. So you're going to slip knitwise, as to knit. The next one, slip as to knit. You're going to place them back to the left hand needle. And now what you're supposed to do is you're going to purl these 2 together, but you have to pass your right hand needle through the second stitch first. And it's through this back strand. So you're going to place your thumb to hold these stitches, that way they don't fall off your needle. And you place the tip of your right hand needle through the second stitch, and you pass it through that one and that second one, and you bring that tip to the front because you're going to purl, and you're going to purl those 2 together, and that's it. That stitch is leaning to the left on the right side. So I'm going to purl one more, and again I need to fix, yeah, no, it's right. You're going to slip knitwise, slip knitwise those 2 stitches, because it's slip that means you have to slip 2. You place them back to your left hand needle. You see, you leave your yarn in the front, you go here in the back through the second stitch first, and these 2 legs or strand on the back, and you pass it through the first one and the second one right through. Bring your needle to the front as to purl, and you're going to purl that stitch, and like that you done that decrease leaning to the left. And I will show you one more time what happened here. I already recorded this in Spanish, so I frog that little row, and then some of the stitches are facing the wrong way. So again, you're going to slip, you're going to slip the first one knitwise, slip the second one, you're going to place them back to your left hand needle, and this time no like I did in the SSK, that I left my stitches on the needle and I just knit them from that needle. I don't can do that because you have to go to the second one, so you have to place them back to the left hand needle. Okay, this is the only way to do this one. So you go 2 in the second, pass it through, you see, as to purl, and you purl those 2 stitches together. And then you will continue with the stitch like you're supposed to until the end. And if you look this end here, these stitches are leaning to the left on the right side of your work. I'm planning to do a fern lace stitch, and I wanted to show you how to SSK and how to SSP. That way you get used to those letters, because it's really easy. It's just those letters that are a little more intimidating. Everything else is really easy, and you see this is not that bad. Well, I hope you guys like this small video, and give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not already a subscriber. And if you make any pattern with this stitcher or any pattern and you want to send me some picture, you can do it through my Facebook page Ruby Net Crochet Tejido or my Instagram Ruby Net Crochet Tejido. Please share my video with friends and family, that way you help me grow here in YouTube. I wish you have a beautiful day. Bye.